guys, welcome to my channel. So today we do a festival Euphoria makeup look, very simple but with a little bit of color. So before starting with this video, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's get started. I'm gonna use the new e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I'm trying to try a little bit more of this primer, and of course I'm going to concentrate it on my T-zone. And now I'm gonna move on with this red concealer. You guys can skip the step, but you really need this for my dark circles. Now I'm gonna use Maybelline Briny Creamy Concealer. You guys know I also love this to cover my pimples for applying foundation, and just gonna do this really quick with my fingertips. So after that, for foundation, I want the skin to look so glowy. So remember, it's very important to prep your skin before doing makeup. So for that, I'm going to use a skin tint. So I'm going to use the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint. This is in the shade 110 Glow. And I'm going to combine it with the new Maybelline Green Edition. This is a tinted oil. This is in the number 40. And I'm going to combine these two because neither of them are my actual shade. Basically start making dots on my face. After that, just gonna put a little bit of this tinted oil. Oh my god, this is too much. And start blending. If you've been following me since I bought these two, Maybelline one didn't have my shade, it was sold out. The Milani has only 5 shades, so neither of the shades that they had was actually my shade. After that, for concealer, you guys know that I love the e.l.f. one. I need to try a new concealer, but I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo 16-Hour Concealer, and this is actually a new bottle because I am done with the last one. Then I'm going to use a hydrating, and then just start blending these two. After, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Meat Concealer just to start, I think it too much, prepping the lids. It's gonna be a very simple makeup look. After that, I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna use the new Physician Formula Bread and Butter bronzer, and I already threw out the Tarte because, oh my god, I'm not gonna tell you how old it was, but it was so old. That's because I started noticing that I was having so many pimples on this part of my face. It's like, why do I have so many pimples? I'm not eating stuff that I wasn't supposed to be eating. It only came to my mind, I was like, what if it's the makeup? And I was thinking product I put on my face, especially on this part, and it was the bronzer, and I was like, oh my god, the bronzer is old. Now for blush, I'm really feeling to use like a really pop of blush, so I'm gonna use the ColourPop Forever Yours. I'm gonna grab a tiny bit because they are so pigmented. Oh, you know what should have done? Never mind, hold on. I'm gonna use first the ColourPop blush stick. This is in the shade Picnic Time. And then I'm gonna add some blush. Let me blend this out. I'm gonna go with the Milani Romantic Row blush and just apply it on my cheeks. After that, I'm gonna use, of course, the Rem Beauty highlighter topper. This is Miss Universe. You guys know I cannot let this go. After having that glow, we're gonna use 2 palettes. We're gonna use the Morphe in collab with Nyan and the Puerto Rico Party in Puerto Rico travel palette from their travel series from BH Cosmetics. We're gonna use these two. So first, I'm gonna use the Morphe with Nyan, and I still have the little paper, and I'm gonna use the color Baby Bear, which is this one over here. Never mind, I'm gonna use first the color Silence, which is this one over here, and I forgot that I have to set the concealer that we applied before. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, now we're gonna use the color Baby Bear, and I'm just gonna grab a tiny bit just because I don't want too much brown on my crease, but I want some pop of transition color. So I'm gonna start using or applying this color on my crease. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Remember, part is just blending, and blending. Okay, now moving on to the other palette, BH Cosmetics Puerto Rico. I'm gonna use the color, I'm gonna use Culebra. Basically, I grab the new mirror of Tres Luce, and what I'm basically going to do is tap this color and basically like do a cat eye, but kind of thick, because then we're gonna do a cat eye with a black eyeliner. So I'm just gonna take this out. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I just noticed that I did my right eye first before the left, and I tend to do the left first. I'm gonna do a cat eye, and I'm gonna use the Physician Formula Matte Monoir Butter Eyeliner. You guys know I love this one. I'm gonna apply mascara, and I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. I'm using this a lot just because I really want to finish it, because I feel like when almost done with your mascara and then you don't use it, I feel like it dries quicker. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. So that I'm gonna continue with the orange now, again with Morphe X NYAN, and I'm gonna use the color the Juice Baby Girl, which is this darker orange, and with that one I'm going to apply it underneath the eyes. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lashes. And after that, I need some glow on the inner corners, and for that I'm gonna use the color Stop Staring, which is this metallic light orange glow, but still going on the orange side. Same thing here. After that, I'm gonna use these falsies. These are from Ardell Wispies. These are dramatic, but when you put them on, they're like in between, and I love them. Now moving on with the lips, I want something kind of moisturized and glowy, so I'm gonna use Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum, and this is in the color Apricot Glow, and you guys know I love. Now I'm gonna put some gems. Gives us that Euphoria festival look. FYI, I have so much trouble with the gems. See how it's gonna be. I'm gonna put one over here. Go. It was a hard one. I'm gonna add 2 on the outside. 2 more to go. This is the final makeup look. Oh my goodness, I feel like I was like in pain with the gems, but I love how it looks. So soft, orangey, a pop of color for this summer and spring. For, like I said, this could be Euphoria makeup look, or also festivals, because you guys know that festivals are coming, and I feel like the Euphoria's makeup looks are here for summer and spring. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.